To highlight every other row in Excel, you can use a simple formatting trick called conditional formatting. Here's how. First, select the range of cells that you want to apply the formatting to. Then, go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon and click on the Conditional Formatting button. From the drop-down menu, select New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the Formula box, enter the following formula. This formula checks whether the row number is even. Next, click on the Format button to choose the formatting you want to apply to the highlighted rows. For example, you could choose a light gray fill color. Once you've chosen your formatting options, click OK to apply the formatting. You'll see that every other row in the selected range is now highlighted with your chosen formatting. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check out the playlist in the description below to learn more about Excel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.